Upo ka.
Bakit naman?
Wala, bawal umupo? Ayan, dapat makita ka. Hindi ko makita.
Ayan na.
Ay, pwede na yan. Ate na lang. Go.
Since the hardest times you could imagine, and many times our eyes forget the days, and when I used to feel was about to fall in, it's time to lay my shoulder for the way I've all repair, and a shadow no one here still rings in midnight's darling in your May.
Di ba ganon?
Let it cry for six lady, lady.
Ikaw na din doon.
Let it rain, possess the tide. Let a dream fall down. I found her. She's a praying gentle flower growing wild. Tama na, pinagbigyan lang kita eh. Nakatuwa ako dun ah.
Titirahan mo naman ako ng
Hindi na. Speech mo na. Dali na.
Hindi ko kabisado.
Yun nga, layo lang yung part na yun. Nakanta mo na nga. O, dali nga.
Ito pagpihira itong bata na ito. Inuuto-uto ako.
Ay, di sa ino ko to. Teka lang. Ayan. 1. Dito ka mo kayo. 1, 2, 3, go.
Hey Jude, don't make it bad. Take a sad soul and make